Let's make street quesadillas in Sunnyside, Washington. Let's get that Blackstone Griddle fired up, nice and hot, and some diced potatoes. A little bit of olive oil. Throw those down with a little Blackstone taco and fajita seasoning. It's a great Tex-Mex seasoning. We're gonna mix these up. We want the potatoes to be crispy and delicious. Next, we're gonna dice up some hickory smoked bacon and put that down on the griddle top. When the bacon starts to cook up, we're gonna mix it with the potatoes. Let that bacon grease soak into those potatoes. Oh my goodness, this is where the magic starts to happen. A little bit of sea salt. And because I'm calling these street quesadillas, we're gonna use the small flour tortillas. We're gonna use shredded quesadilla cheese. It's called queso chihuahua. Some fresh cilantro, the potato and bacon, and another topping of the queso chihuahua. Let that cheese start to melt. We're gonna flip the quesadillas. Take a look at that. Let's plate these up, cut them in two. We'll shingle layer them and drizzle them with crema. Oh my goodness. Let's give it a try. So delicious. I'm telling you what, I'm loving the idea of the small taco shells. A street quesadilla. You know, why do street tacos get all the love? As easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm telling you what, the fried potato, that's what does it for me. Back where I live in Southern Colorado, they use fried potatoes in a lot of different breakfast tacos and breakfast burritos. I'm loving it. So quesadillas, one of my favorite things to make. I make the same breakfast quesadilla recipe over and over, and I was in the mood for something new today. So thanks for watching, everybody, and until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the street quesadillas.